So, sa video na to ngayon, gagawa tayo ng Java program na gagamit ng if statement. So, sa module ninyo kasi, isang activity doon is nagre-require siya na gumamit kayo ng if statement. Ngayon, itong video na to is somewhat similar pero mas simple yung ipapakita kong example. So, sa module ninyo, may worded problem. So, ano ang susunod? Pagka-intindi mo or pagkabasa mo ng worded problem, kailangan mong i-convert yung worded problem into a pseudocode or into a flowchart. Para alam mo kung ano ang magiging flow ng code mo during execution. Ngayon, ito yung example natin. Suppose we are to compare two numbers. Kung mas malaki ba yung integer A kay integer B. So, that will be answerable by true or false, or it will give us a Boolean value. Na-discuss na natin yan sa previous videos. So, kung magiging true siya, ipiprint lang niya, A is greater than B. Pag false naman, ang ipiprint niya is A is less than B. So, kumbaga yun yung worded problem natin. So, ngayon, kailangan mo muna siyang, from worded problem, kailangan mo siyang igawan ng flowchart. So, nag-search lang ako sa Google. So, ito yung katumbas na flowchart niya. So, dito, mag-i-start tayo. Then, we will ask, tatanungin natin yung user natin na magbigay siya ng value for A and B. Ang gagamitin mo dito can be two types. Pwedeng gamitin mo si JOption pane or si scanner class. So, it's up to you. Naturo naman na yan or na-discuss na yan sa previous video tutorials natin. So, once na nagbigay na si user ng values for A and B, ito na yung if natin or kailangan na tayong mag-evaluate ng expression. So, dito, tatanungin natin, is A greater than B? So, if this is true, anong mangyayari? Magpiprint tayo ng A is greater. Pero pag this expression is evaluated as false or no, anong ipiprint natin? B is greater. Then, pagkatapos nun, mag-e-end na yung program natin. This is somewhat similar to your activity. So, magbibigay ng value si user ng price. Tatanungin lang niya kung ano yung price. Tas yung decision mo is na if the price is greater or less than something, alam niya kung ano yung pupuntahan niya. Kung greater than, ito yung magiging discount mo. Kung less than, ito naman yung magiging discount mo. So, let's put this flowchart into our running code para maintindihan pa natin. So, dito, of course, gagamit tayo ng dalawang variable, si A and B. Then, tatanungin natin si user. So, ang gagamitin ko is si JOption pane. Okay, so, again, sabi ko nga, para magamit mo si JOption pane class, kailangan nating i-import si javax.swing. Okay, so, JOption pane.show input dialog null, kasi gusto nating lumabas yung dialog box sa center ng screen natin. Tapos, enter value for variable A. Okay? So, next will be, kaka-copy-paste lang natin siya. For variable B naman ang gagamitin natin. Now, if ang gagawin natin is A is equal to J option pane.show input dialog box, hindi siya gagana kasi nga, as we have discussed, string ang binibigay na output ni J option. So, to fix this one, ang gagawin natin is we will create a variable string. So, input. So, ang ilalagay ko lang dyan is input. Then, ipaparse na lang natin siya. A is equal to integer dot parse in or in, ilalagay natin sa loob si input. Ganon din kay variable B, ilalagay muna natin siya kay variable input. After that, copy-paste ko na lang to. Then B will be equivalent to the parse value of our input. Now, since may value na tayo ni A and B, pwede na tayong gumamit ng if statement. So, sa loob ng open and close parenthesis natin, doon natin ilalagay yung expression to be evaluated, of course. So, ang tatanungin lang natin is A greater than B? So, after the expression, maglalagay ako ng curly braces. Ang ibig sabihin nito is, kung ano man yung nasa loob or in between ng dalawang curly braces natin, yun ang ma-execute once na yung expression natin is evaluated as true. Okay? So, if A is greater than B. So, kung this expression is evaluated as true, mag-output lang tayo gamit ang J option pane that show message. Okay? So, if A is greater than B, sasabihin lang natin A is greater. Okay? So, what if this will be evaluated as false? So, pwede nating lagyan ng else. So, ang silbi ng else is, kung wala siyang nasatisfy na expression, ito yung last na ipiprint natin. So, for example, this will be evaluated as false. Ang ipiprint naman natin is B is greater. So, let's try to run the code. Ayan. So, enter a value for variable A. Let's say 4. Enter a value for variable B. Let's say 2. So, sasabihin niya, A is greater. Okay? So, if you notice, kino-compare niya tong expression natin or ini-evaluate niya. Pag ito is naging true, mag-run itong line na to. Kung ito namang expression is evaluated as false, ito naman yung mag-execute. Okay? So, that is a very simple application of if statement just to compare values. Then, after comparing values, may gagawin siyang specific na lines of code. This is applicable to your activities in Module 2. So, I will upload a different video for this decision structures. Ito, ginawa ko lang to para may guide kayo doon sa activities ninyo sa module.